Hello learners, missed your GATE 2024 rank with very less marks? Missed getting into IITs or PSUs through GATE 2024 score? Please do remember, anything big can't be achieved in a single step by single attempt. So it needs at least 2 to 3 attempts to achieve success in GATE and ESC, to get a PSU job or to enter into top IITs. And learning from the mistakes, learning from the failures is the first step done by any of the top ranker in GATE and ESC. If you see the existing top rankers in GATE and ESC, they are not at all the first time rankers. Maybe they are third time or fourth time only getting their top rank, first rank. And we have the learners who cracked within top 100 for the second time. Those who got 2,500, 3,400 ranks. And now they are come under top 100 and waiting for PSU jobs. So learners, because of your very less marks or moderate marks or not achieving your dream IIT or PSU, don't be demotivated. Don't be frustrated. Your success is there in the year GATE 2025. So gear up your preparation for GATE and ESC 2025 under the guidance of your beloved KP sir and step towards the success. And for those learners, Unacademy brought you 11,999 only 1 year subscription and a huge demand. Use our code KP Civil, come under my personal guidance. Let's crack it.